Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited as per usual because you guys know I love doing my unboxings. Today I'm going to be doing a Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing. This was sent to me for an honest review. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts and opinions on this box for the month of February, then you guys know what to do. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so first off I want to thank Lookfantastic for sending me PR to see what's in this box and give like my honest review. I still can't believe that like my channel is spanking new, probably like a year and a half old, and I'm just super grateful and appreciative that like these makeup subscription boxes are, you know, finally noticing me and sending me PR. It definitely is helpful because I don't have to buy so much boxes anymore. And it makes me feel good because there's some people who have more subscribers than me and don't even get PR from beauty boxes. So it makes me feel really good. And I just wanted to thank Lookfantastic for sending me, you know, their PR for honest reviews. And, you know, Ipsy, I get PR from Ipsy now. Same from Glossy Box. I get from Mindful Souls. Like, who am I right now? Like, who am I? Aisha. Super appreciative. God has been really good to me. And you guys have been really good to me because if I didn't have you guys, my lovely subscribers, then none of this would be possible. So I just want to thank everyone who's been subscribing to my channel, and I'm excited to see what I got in this box for the month of February. So we're gonna dig into the box. As always, I always give my honest review. Just because I get something for free for a review doesn't mean I'm gonna be like,
oh my gosh, everything was great. This is fantastic. The whole box is fantastic. I loved everything. You must go out and get it now.
Now, if the box is good, I'm going to say the box is good. And if the box is not good, I'm going to say it's not good too. I just always give my honest opinion because I know a lot of bigger YouTubers, they normally just say everything is good because A, they're getting paid for it. And not every YouTuber is like that, but a lot are like that. And you're always going to get an honest review on my channel. That I can promise you guys. So without further ado, let's just get into the box. Oh wait, how could I forget? As you can see, I'm not used to this. I actually have a code for Lookfantastic, and the code is Aisha, my name, Ayesha, and BB, the letter BB behind it. And that's going to save you $10 off when you subscribe for the year, which is pretty cool. The box usually is $19 a month. You get 6 products worth $60. So I think that's an amazing deal. If you could save some coins, then hey, use my code. I'll also have it linked down below. So the box is pink, my favorite color. It says Lookfantastic Beauty Box. They always give like a little booklet that gives you like all the information about everything in the box. So that's that. And then this is just sneak peek. Sneak peek. Alrighty guys, so let's see here. The first thing I got is Foot Therapy. It's a collagen infused booty. It says it has collagen, sweet almond, and peppermint. It says removable toe tip, safe to use with natural nail and gel polish. Oh, this is kind of cool. So before I get into the items, I just want to say Lookfantastic is a UK beauty box. So what I like about this box is a lot of the things in the box may not be familiar. Some are, but some aren't. And I like that you get to try different brands that's not from the United States. So sometimes they do, but a lot of the stuff is very different. And you get to try new and exciting things that you probably would have never tried had you not got the box. So this is the first thing in my box. It's by the brand Beauty Pro. And it's a foot therapy collagen infused booty. Now looking at the picture, this is so cool. You can take the foot part off, like if you want to do like your nails or whatever. It says removable toe tip, safe to use with natural nail and gel polish. That's pretty cool. So it's 20 minutes. You could travel with this. Contains natural ingredients, and it's award-winning British brand. So you see, you get to try like UK stuff. Like we definitely don't have this here, but very excited to try this out because my feet is definitely dry. No matter how much lotion I put on, I don't know why my feet is always dry. So hopefully this helps your girl out. The next thing I got is a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter by Dr. Botanicals. I've heard of Dr. Botanicals. I've gotten it in like one of my subscription boxes. One of the many. Oh, I love like the colors. This colors of the rainbow. And my skin is very dry, so I love when I get lotions. This is supposed to smell like lemon. It says lemon butter, so hold on. I don't really smell any lemon though. Oh, actually now I do. It smells lemony. My hands are always dry too. Like my skin in general is just very dry. My body sucks in any like moisture. And I don't know, I've tried everything, but my skin is just always dry. But I definitely will get good use out of this. Like I said, my skin is dry. Anything to help with dry skin is definitely a plus in my eyes. So far I'm loving everything. Let's see. And then they also tell you like about the product that you're using inside your little booklet here. So it shows you like what's in your box. Now, you won't get everything in this box from the picture, but it shows you what you could have got in the box. Alrighty. The next thing I see here is by Pixie, and it's a glow tonic. I love the glow tonic, and it has like glycolic acid, I think, in it, right? Yes, it does, 5%. I love this toner. I use this like after I wash my face. I use a cotton pad. It makes my skin feel so soft. I love this toner from Pixie. Alrighty, the next thing I got is water only makeup removal. So this reminds me of, you know, like the makeup eraser. I love the hearts for theme because this is a month of love. It's Valentine's Day in February, so this is right on trend for that. So I love, this is cute. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So cute, I don't even want to use it. The next thing I got is a vitamin C brightening eye serum. My eyes does have a little bit of dark circles under it, so your girl will definitely be using this. And then I got a cleanser, daily cleanser by BYBI. I've never heard of this brand, but I will try it out. The only things that when I get that I ever give away is like the moisturizers and the serums, because it's like your skin takes time to get used to the moisturizer. So I don't like to use 5 different moisturizers, 5 different serums. I don't like to mix my serums. But like a cleanser, I could use a different cleanser every day. I could use a different eye cream every day. Those are really, although maybe I should not use a different eye cream every single day, because then you don't know if the eye cream that you're using is working, especially if they're all new. But I don't get irritation from using a different eye cream every day. I get irritation if I use like a different serum or a different moisturizer. I guess because those are like more potent and it's on a bigger surface of your skin, and my skin is very sensitive. So I try not to use too much different products all at once. I want to say, what would I rate this box? I would give it, a 7 out of 10, just because for me, I prefer more makeup in a beauty box, but that's just my personal opinion, because I know a lot of people who, you know, they just want to try different beauty products, and there's a lot of things that fall under the beauty category. Skincare, hair, all of that stuff falls under beauty. We didn't get any hair products. We got, most of the stuff seemed to me skincare, because that's skincare, that's skincare, that's skincare, right? And then we got 2 body products, and we got, I guess you could say maybe this is a makeup item because it's to take off your makeup. The reason why I did it could have been, I would have given it more points if there was like a makeup item in here. It would have been bumped up to like an 8. 8 or 9, because everything in here I would actually use. The only, like I said, the only things I give away is mostly the moisturizers and serum. If you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know that, but everybody who watches my channel knows most of the times moisturizers and serums, I give them away. I only keep the cleansers, toners, and eye creams. So I lucked out in this box. And what did you guys think? Let me know what you guys thought about the box. I thought it was good. I think I'm going to use this tonight, though, because my feet is feeling kind of dry. So this will definitely be exciting to try, especially since it was an award-winning product. So I'll let you guys know how I love this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave my channel, if you didn't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel and show me some love. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.